Good morning. Seventh video in the series of Toyota Truck Totaled. It's September 28th, 2024, and my truck that I've had for 22 years that got totaled back in 2010 in May. So I just got done having an unfortunate incident where I jacked up the fender here and the door here, so I had to go find a door down in San Antonio and fender in San Antonio. So my son's old shop did it. Honda of Fort Worth did a pretty good job on it for the price they charged me. I'm happy. So anyway, happy with it. Got to keep it. Had it for 22 years, like I said. So morning. I'll fire it up here in a second. I think it's been 3 or 4 years since I made the last video. I guess it's locked, so anyway, but it runs pretty good. Thought it ran good. Maybe I will go get the keys fired up. Since I have done quite a bit of actually restoration on it, or more on it since the last video I did when I put the new 22RE Performance engine in it. I put a new carpet kit in it. You can see where the damage was right there. Where what happened was I backed out of the garage here and I hit the front bumper of my wife's car. It just bent the door back and bent it into the fender, so kind of unfortunate. Got 305,000 on it, but you can see I rebuilt it at 346,000. So I need a battery. Battery's been kind of dying. Oh yeah, it needs a wash, big time. 22RE Performance engine in it. Had it for probably 60,000 miles. I think March of 2018 did I put that in there? Not too many miles on it. Oh boy, does it need a wash. Oh boy. Still got the header on it. Need to adjust this too because that exhaust is hitting again. So take the catalytic converter off it so you can smell it. Oh boy. But yeah, it fits real nice. It needs to be adjusted a little bit more too because there's a big gap right here. You get a lot of wind noise, so it still needs to be adjusted, like right here. That gap's okay, but that gap probably could be a little bit better too, but I'm happy with it. Air conditioning is on so you can hear it kicking up. But yeah, nice to have it back. All nice and straight. Had some PDR done to it too. There was a dent here and a dent here. No, they didn't do that. That's fine. You do that, but definitely. Ooh boy. Definitely have to clean that up. header on it. K&N on it. Intake. Anyway, we'll go ahead and sign up. I'll upload this to YouTube.